West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will leave for Singapore today with a 60-member delegation. The purpose of the trip is to promote foreign investment in West Bengal. However, the Chief Minister has come under opposition fire for the unusually large size of a delegation, as well as the fact that a film star also forms a part of her entourage.
West Bengal Chief Minister has big hopes from a Singapore trip, or so it seems from the size of the delegation accompanying her. 60 politicians, babus and businessmen will stay in the island nation for 5 days seeking investment in Bengal.
Very high power, very all-round delegation will be accompanying Honorable Chief Minister at their own cost, the business delegation, at their own volition, voluntarily, because they see an opportunity of business and investments between West Bengal and Singapore.
Naturally, the opposition is unimpressed. The criticism also stemming from the fact that an MP accompanying Mamata, Deepak Adhikari, is known more for his films than any business acumen.
সিঙ্গাপুর উনি যাচ্ছেন ৬০ জনকে নিয়ে যান, ভালোমতো ফেরত আসুন এবং রাজ্যের ভালো করতে পারেন তো করুন, কিন্তু মিথ্যে কথা বলবেন না।
Even as Mamata has high hopes of bringing foreign investment, opponents point out that her record in ensuring industrial growth has been dismal. A point highlighted by none other than Ratan Tata recently.
It's been about 2 years since I've been into Calcutta. And it is Rajaghat particularly, which is what one has driven through, has been an unbelievable change in terms of buildings and development. But it still looks like a countryside under development.
To be fair, Mamata is not the first Chief Minister to visit Singapore. CPM stalwart Jyoti Basu as well as former Chief Minister Buddhadev Bhattacharya had visited the country. But nothing emerged in terms of investment. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.